It's Wednesday, Klaus here. It's time for another basic Davinci Resolve tutorial.
Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to another basic Wednesday. Today we're going to have episode 2, and in this episode we're going to have a look at how to set up a project. So this is actually the screen you will see first time after you have installed Davinci Resolve 17. This is where all of your projects live. So the difference between, for instance, Davinci Resolve and, let's say, Premiere Pro is that Davinci Resolve has a database system where all of your projects are living, and Premiere does not. So, for instance, if I push this tab here, I can then see all of my databases here, different ones, some needed to be being upgraded and whatnot. And it is pretty easy to just click here and start a new database. If you want more info on that, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make an episode out of that, I think. Okay, so I'm just going to click down the database view here. So this is the basic view we have. So now we want to start our video project. And the way we are doing that would be to either right click and simply clicking on new project, or go down here and push new project. Also worth mentioning is that you can do folders. Again, you can click new folder icon here, or you can right click and then new folder as well. Also importing projects, restoring projects, and dynamic project switching and stuff like that. But we're not going to go into that too much, but we are actually going to do a new folder. So let's do that. Let's write Basic Wednesday. There we go. And we're going to create that bin. And now we have this bin here. And that just means that I can take my Basic Wednesday projects and move those into that folder. And now they'll just live inside of here. And that's going to keep me very well organized. So let's go into that folder, and here we have the view for episode 1. I'm just going to open up a new project. I'm going to make a name. Okay, Basic Wednesday episode 2. I'm going to create that. So with that being created, we are now inside of Davinci Resolve. I'll go to the Edit tab, and in order to start our editing, we will need to do a timeline. And in this case, you can either right click and go into timelines and create a new timeline, or you can push on my keyboard Control N, and we have these settings right here. And here we can change the start settings of our timeline or the time code. We can change the name. Like that. And then we can change the number of video tracks and also the number of audio tracks and what type of audio tracks we do need. When we've made the selection we need, we are simply going to push create, and we now have a new timeline. We are now going to be able to put video clips into the timeline. In next episode, I'll show you all about importing footage into Davinci Resolve 17. I do hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it will help them out, and if you want to be notified every time there's a new video on this channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.